Hello friends, welcome to kidsbrains.com. So today we are going to look at a quadratic equation solution for that. There are various methodologies in which we can solve a quadratic equation. So one of the method is completing the square method. What does completing the square mean? For example, when we are looking at whole numbers 3 square, this is 9. 4 square is 16. Now, if I say I need 15, is this 15 a perfect square? No. So for this 15, I'm adding something. So it is 1 to make it a perfect square. So this 15 plus 1 is 16. So this is nothing but 4 square, correct? So the similar concept we are going to use in completing the square method in our variables. So what do we do here? For our variable x, we are going to add something and then we will make this as a perfect square, because just x is not a perfect square. So like 15 is not a perfect square. So we are going to add 1 to make this as a perfect square. Okay. So let us see how we are going to deal with this. Okay. Now, x square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here, this is of the form. Now, for example, if we take x plus a whole square, you have to get this equation in the form of x plus a whole square. So this would be x square plus 2ax plus a square. So when we expand, this is x plus a whole square is x square plus 2ax plus a square. Now we have to get this equation in this format. So I have to convert. I have to find my terms x square. So we have x square here. The coefficient is 1. Okay. So my 2a is nothing but minus 14. So 2a is minus 14. So what will a be? Minus 14 divided by 2. So a is minus 7. So we found out a. So then what will a square be? Minus 7 square, that is 49. So now I am going to make this equation x square minus 14x. Now our a is minus 7, right? And a square is 49. So I'll make this as plus 49 and minus 49 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us look at the equation and see what is that we have changed. So x square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here I have added 49 and I have subtracted 49. This is not going to change the equation. So this equation is still valid because I'm adding 49 and subtracting 49. So we'll group this set, the x square minus 14x plus 49. So this is nothing but our x minus 7 whole square, and minus 49 plus 6 is equal to minus 43. So now I'll get this x minus 7 whole square is equal to 43. So now I want to find the value of x. So I'm going to take square root on both the sides. Apply square root on both the sides. So the square and square root gets cancelled. So this is x minus 7 is equal to plus or minus root of 43. So now x is equal to, we'll take 7 to the other side. It is plus 7 plus or minus root of 43. And now you have two options. Why do we say plus or minus root of 43? I think this goes back to our basics, like when we say root of 4. For square root of 4, you can multiply 2 times 2 also is 4. Minus 2 times minus 2 is also positive 4. So 4 can have a plus 2 or a minus 2 as its root. So the same logic. Whenever we take square root, it can have a positive and a negative value. So now your x can be plus 7 plus root 43, and another value is x is equal to plus 7 minus root 43. Both these values will satisfy the equation. So we have solved the above equation by completing the square. We are converting this into a perfect square because the current equation x square minus 14x plus 6 is not a perfect square. So this doesn't follow, or it doesn't apply this formula x square plus 2ax plus a square. So what do? We add some term and then subtract some term which makes it as a perfect square. Then we rearrange it and then find out the value of x. I hope this was clear. For any questions, please do ask your questions in the comments. We'll get back to you. Like for more videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.